Well, for a long time of years we are inspecting overhead lines using helicopters, because from the air you can see more than from the ground, only looking upwards to the overhead lines, so we use helicopters for a lot of years. And in the 1990s we first get in contact with the issue of protection of birds, and then we did some research work, what could we do? And then one of the ideas was to use helicopters for this work too. Yeah, actually there are 12,000 poles and 12,000 markers and 1,000 poles used by this method, so it's a lot of work done. When we came to here, we just did a calculation how many days the people would have worked on that. I think it's more than one man-year which we worked on that issue, so it's a quite big job the people did. And you need a team where the pilot and the fitter are very good, working as a team, very well trained, have some experience to do this. So one reason is because there is a very strong legislation, and we have to work very secure on one hand, but to do all the jobs which are necessary for protecting nature. So it's a very obvious reason. But then another one is that we want to do our job very good. So we at RWE want to do a job absolutely perfect. So for that reason we try to combine it. But on the third issue is we want to do it as cost effective as possible, and we can do it more cost effective by helicopter than from the ground. Yeah, I think next steps could be to do more on both issues. On the one hand, against collision. On the other one, where the colleagues from Germany showed what the legislation is, what the rules are, to do our job very precise there too, to protect abounds against electrocution. And as I said before, it would be great to sell some products in that area, so we can combine protection of nature and making good business.